All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some work gloves. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. Again, if your dishwasher is an integrated model, the cabinet door will need to be removed from the dishwasher. On this model, it's held in by 4 T20 Torx screws found here. Some models will have rounded screws for the door, and then flat screws that hold the control panel in place. Remove the 4 rounded top screws holding the cabinet door to the dishwasher. The cabinet door can then be detached from the dishwasher and placed to one side. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to lean the dishwasher on its back to make for easier access whilst filming. You should be able to keep your dishwasher upright when replacing the float switch, but if you're having trouble accessing it, remove it as per the instructions at the start of this video and tilt the machine. Pop a pair of work gloves on and then remove the 2 screws holding the kick plate or access panel in place. With a flathead screwdriver, lift the access panel up. If your dishwasher has a floor time light, unclip the electrical connector. Remove the insulation. The float switch is mounted inside a plastic housing and secured to the dishwasher's bottom base tray via a clip-in bracket. To remove, simply pull it away from the bracket. Unclip the wiring. Then open up the plastic casing. Unclip the electrical connector. Unpackage your new float switch and the plastic casing. Attach the float switch to the casing as shown and then press down to click it into place. Attach the electrical wire connector to the new float switch and close the casing. Then loop the wires around the hooks. The new float switch attaches to the bracket shown here. Put in place and press down, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. As part of the dishwasher's anti-flood protection system, the white float moves up as shown here and activates the switch if the base fills with water. Place the insulation back inside the dishwasher as shown, making sure to keep the floor time light wire accessible if you have one. If your machine has a floor time light and it was removed earlier, clip the electrical connector back in place. Reattach the kick plate, also called the access panel. Rescrew the 2 Torx T20 screws back in to hold the kick plate in place. Reattach the cabinet door to the dishwasher by the fixing brackets. Line up the screw end with the existing hole on the cabinet door and tighten. Repeat for the others. And that's it. Your new dishwasher float switch is all set to go.